There are few principles that they should have followed and that they make life easy. One is a quick turnaround when the crime happens. Two is to work hard that those criminals they don't get paid. Three is to send them to court so that they can find their way to prison. Four is to work together with the communities. At the present moment, looks like we are really on track of achieving all those things. Up to this point, we have arrested quite a big number of the leaders of the gangs whom are inside and absolutely no bail. And we're working very closely with the prosecution that works on the cases before they go to court to make sure that they are tight and they are winnable in court. But as we've said, the communities have been really wonderful in working with the police to say, here's information, here are these people. And the police have done almost everything to go to the community, run after these people, arrest, find drugs load, top guns, and the guns and all that. Things that have not been very much usual to arrest the high flyers. We are arresting the high flyers, and the life, we expect it to be better and keep improving in this area.